هذا، هذه، ذلك، تلك. These are singular demonstrative pronouns in Arabic, and today we're going to learn how to pronounce them and when to use them. This is a modern standard Arabic course. If you're interested in spoken Arabic, check the description of this video. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Tuqa and today I will teach you how to say this and that in Arabic. Let's start with the first pronoun, هذا. هذا means this. هذا. It is the masculine singular pronoun. هذا. Pay attention to the pronunciation. It is هذا. هذا. For example, هذا رجل. This is a man. هذا رجل. You can see that we have tanween at the end. Actually, this tanween works as an indefinite article here. So it is equal to the indefinite article a in English. We say رجل, a man. رجل. Another example, هذا سرير. هذا سرير. This is a bed. Now, هذه. هذه. It is the feminine singular pronoun. So we say هذه امرأة. هذه امرأة. This is a woman. Now what should we use to point at something that is far away? Well, we use ذلك and تلك. ذلك for masculine words and تلك for feminine words. So we say ذلك رجل and تلك امرأة. ذلك رجل means that's a man. تلك امرأة means that's a woman. Now let's practice. Here we have a beautiful closet. We say خزانة جميلة. خزانة جميلة, a beautiful closet. خزانة is a closet and جميلة is beautiful. But if I want to say this is a beautiful closet, I say هذه خزانة جميلة. هذه, not هذا, because خزانة is a feminine word. It even has تا مربوطة, so it is feminine. We use هذه with it. Now, if the closet is far away from us, we say تلك خزانة جميلة. تلك خزانة جميلة. That's a beautiful closet. And here we have a small house. In Arabic, we say منزل صغير. منزل صغير. منزل, a house. صغير, small. So to point it out, we say هذا منزل صغير. هذا منزل صغير. This is a small house. And if it is far away from us, we say ذلك منزل صغير. ذلك منزل صغير. That's a small house. Now, let's have a look at these two examples. هذه سلة and هذه السلة. First, سلة. سلة means basket. So هذه سلة means this is a basket. What do you think the second example means? Well, it means this basket. It is not a real sentence. هذه السلة, this basket. This basket is what? We need to continue. Maybe هذه السلة كبيرة. هذه السلة كبيرة. This basket is big. I can say هذه سلة كبيرة, but it doesn't mean this basket is big. It rather means this is a big basket. This is a big basket. هذه سلة كبيرة. You see, this L changed the meaning, so you have to pay attention to this point. That's it for today. I hope that my lessons help you to understand Arabic more. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch my future videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Salam!